Sammy.
Hi guys, today we're learning how to make brownie.
So what's the recipe, Bella?
Oh, my mom will tell the recipe. Our mom.
Oh, it's pretty easy. You just get the brownie mix, 3 tablespoons of water, 2 eggs, and a half cup of of oil, and then you mix like you're doing right now.
Are you gonna eat it?
First we need to bake.
This is part 1. So then we're gonna show you what
No,
is
this
to be
is part 2.
No, part 1.
Part 1.
Yeah, and then once it's all done, we're gonna show
Yeah.
you.
Then
Now we're gonna show
you
you.
get the pan ready. Spray.
Oh yeah.
Spray well the corners.
Very toxic.
Never try this if you're too little.
It's okay, you're not gonna die. It's
PG-13.
It's
PG-13, guys. PG-13.
Are you sure this is a butter? Não, spray tóxico de pintar muro?
God, look at the time. Look at the
Doesn't
time.
matter.
It's almost
what
like.
time it is.
Well, you don't know too. God, everything to do is so scary. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do. Oh, here comes the toxic smell. Oh, here we go. We're gonna continue showing you about cooking and how to use to cook. Okay? So Bella, shall we show you?
And here's the chef.
Oh,
This is a crazy cat, guys.
No, this is the chef.
The chef.
Don't.
This is the chef, Mickey. And he likes to get this garbage, Mickey. Right, Mickey? He got scared. Back to you guys. Now this is getting toxic. What happened if everything in the whole world gets toxic? Do you want the whole world to get toxic or no? You sure? Leave a comments down below if you want the world to get toxic. Save the world.
of course nobody wants it to get toxic. Like your pets are gonna die, even you.
I will show you a part 2 video of us putting the oven and waiting until it's done. So then leave the comments down
And then
below.
we're gonna do part 3 first.
Yeah, to show.
Trying.
Yeah, tasting. Then in a few minutes we're gonna show you guys watching the movie Senna. Maybe today or maybe tomorrow. So I just want to say, leave the comments down below. Subscribe the channel, Silly Kids Adventures, and we'll see you guys in adventure of random place. Bye bye. Anyway, look, look is here. Now go to sleep.